Welcome to demonstration of Insitu balancing by Perfector South Rampur. This is a rotor of an ID fan of a distillery unit which has to be balanced at site. Firstly, we have to find the cause of vibrations. If it is due to unbalance, then we have to go for Insitu balancing, and our equipments are capable of balancing fans or blowers or baskets or any type of rotary equipment having bearing blocks in around 2 runs. The idea of balancing is to reduce the vibration as early as possible in minimum possible runs and a maximum possible reduction of vibrations within the limits of international standards. Our person, Mr. Sunil, is setting up the vibration machine so that Insitu balancing can be carried out. He is putting markings on the rotor for strobe unit. After putting up markings, he will set up the other components of the machine. The target is to balance this rotor in minimum possible runs, in minimum possible time, and achieving minimum possible reduction of vibrations. Now he is putting up markings for our strobe unit of our vibration unit. Now you can see the machine has been set up. Vibration sensor, phase sensor, analyzer. This is analyzer. This is set up. This equipment consists of an accelerometer. This is accelerometer. It is sensing vibrations, and this is phase sensor. It senses the frequency of vibration. This is connected to this analyzer, which tells us the cause of vibration, and this is a strobe unit, which tells us the location of unbalance. Now this rotor is ready for balancing. Now you can see this rotor is rotating, and we are now taking initial readings. The maximum permissible limit for this, you can see the initial vibration, that is 7.5 millimeters per second in horizontal direction, which is higher as per standard is concerned, which suggests it should not go than 5.0 millimeters per second. The strobe unit will also confirm the same. This equipment requires balancing at site. Means to say weight addition is required on this rotor so that we can run it for a longer time. All of the vibrations are this much vibration level is capable enough to damage this rotor. Now you can see the rotor is coming to stop slowly and gradually, and now we have to add a trial weight. Now you can see this rotor is gradually coming to halt. While this rotor is coming to halt, the welder of the company has been instructed to make weights for putting up on the rotor as trial weight. Now this trial weight is ready, and this person is going to weld this trial weight on the rotor as a part of balancing at site. Now the idea of trial weight, how much quantity and at what angle, is decided by our equipments as well as our experience. It is different for different type of rotors. For this type of rotor, we have added a trial weight of 200 grams at a specified location. Now you can see the machine is now running again at full RPM, and the readings for horizontal mode vibration is around 2.6 millimeters per second, which is considerably less than our initial vibration of 7.5 millimeters per second. Now we have to calculate our actual balancing result by the program, because now the result has come up and shows 76% of trial mass has to be added at 347 degrees of the trial mass, which means we have to change the position of our trial weight to some degrees so as to get a maximum possible reduction of vibration. Now the trial weight was removed and a final weight has been welded. Now you can see rotor is running again, and the final readings have come up, and the final readings have been reduced accidentally to 0.8 millimeters per second, which is an excellent value for this kind of rotor. Now you can see we can very well reduce the vibrations of any type of rotor, whether it is a blower or it is a ID fan of a big size or a small size, or any kind of rotary equipments like sugar mill fiberizers or paper mill rolls, or any kind of rotary equipments at site, and achieve minimum possible reduction of vibration. Thereby you don't have to remove whole of the rotor and you don't have to send the rotor to a balancing workshop. This takes enormous time as well as energy as well as cost. Thank you and good wishes for your maintenance department.